Okay, number 11, looking for maximums and minimums. So first you find your derivative, which is 2 cosine x, and next you set it equal to 0. Well, where on your unit circle, you can divide by 2 on both sides, and you just get cosine x equals 0. And where on your unit circle is cosine equal to 0? And that would be here and here, okay? So right now, I have just the answer of pi over 2. Because this guy, well, let me see, I don't remember if this said negative pi or 0 to pi. But it would be pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2, but not if we name it this way. If we name it negative pi, that's this guy over here going backwards, and positive pi would be this guy over here going forward. So when we name it that way, this answer up here is still pi over 2, but this one down here is negative pi over 2. So I have that x would equal pi over 2 and negative pi over 2. So those are my critical points. And now I just need to figure out if those are going to be maximums or minimums. So I need a first derivative sine chart. So since this is a simple cosine or sine graph, you know you're going to go increasing, decreasing, back and forth. So just carefully do one of these. Well, in between negative pi over 2 and positive pi over 2 would be 0 right here. So we're plugging into the derivative. I'm plugging it in here. The cosine there is 1. And so this is positive. And it has to switch back and forth surrounding it. So that means this guy would be a local min and this guy is a local max. And if you want the y coordinate, then you have to plug those both in to the original function. Okay? So at negative pi over 2, the sine of negative pi over 2 would be right here, and that's negative 1 times 2 would give me negative 2. At positive pi over 2, the sine there is 1. So sine of pi over 2 would give me 1 times 2 is 2. Hope that helps. Bye.